Okay, so let's try this one then. This is a much smaller thing, sorry. Sneaky result. So we're going to have a random variable, u sub k. It's no big deal. And then we're going to simply do this. V equals u plus 1. That's all. Very simple thing. Then the generating function for v, right, the new one, is just the generating function for u times x. And the reason is simple, right? The probability that we have a 7 is the probability that we started with a 6. We're just adding 1 to it. So we just need to multiply. So so in the generating function, this is going to be multiplying x to the power of 6. And we want it to be multiplying x to the power of a 7, so we just multiply by x, and that will shift everything up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And here it is. All right. Yeah. So this is our generating function for v, our new one. This is just by definition. This is the function. This is the connection between them, right? So vk is equal to uk minus 1. It also has to start at k equals 1 now because we can only have v being 1, 2, 3, 4 if k is 0 onwards. And we can turn it back into a happy-looking thing. If we pull out an x, then these subscripts will match up. The k minus 1 will have a k minus 1 here. And we'll replace k minus 1 with j. So we've pulled an x out. So j now starts at 0, and we get ujxj. And this is the generating function for u. Okay? That's a tiny little one, but it's a good thing to have. So that generalizes. How do we feel about that? Right? Pretty benign. So yeah, eventually you start to see, so an additive thing here gets turned into a polynomial kind of piece, like a multiplicative polynomial piece on this side. In the strange world, generating shadow space of generating functions. So you can generalize this, right? So if we add some integer I, then we're going to multiply, right? If we add 7, then this is x to the 7. And if we subtract it, then it's x to the minus 7. Right. And here we'd allow the possibility that, say, if u was just 0 on, which is sort of our thing, then, of course, v could be minus 7. So that would be all right. Yeah. Emotional. All right. So lots of nice things. We put them all in little boxes, and they're fun to play with on the generating function side. We just have to concentrate. All right.